Okay. Happy Tuesday. We got this monstrosity here. Return is just smacked in there. We're changing out the April air, changing out the furnace, putting a new coil in, relocated the coil, because our unit's actually right there under the stairs, which is a no-no. So we're actually just putting it down there. Pretty sure it just drains into the nothingness under the unit and the bricks. But yeah, this is gonna be a lot of freaking work. And then yeah, this thing's so old, it's got a nice little standing pilot. So actually, let's see what the filter looks like. Double filtered. My God. Well, that hasn't been changed in a hot minute. Not the worst I've ever seen, but that's still pretty dirty. But holy shit, dude. And then the return, look at that, they fucking did it so high up. Holy fuck. So I'll have to fuck with that. Let's check this guy. This one's probably never been changed. So I can get that out. You can already see it's dirty. Oh my gosh, it's pulling from the brick. Ugh, look at that. Holy shit. That's probably been like that for quite a while. Yeah, and it's just pulling from the brick, like through the brick. So it's just dirt and dust. Jesus, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, I gotta mess with that. Of course, this runs to something else. This is the main feed. Then it goes down into the unit. So I got a lot of shit to do. Stuff. Try not to curse. Stuff to do on this one. So, and then you got a nice little cardboard there. There's like cardboard all the way down. But yeah. The electrical's all jacked up. Everything's jacked up. This is gonna be an interesting day. So let's get started. Well, that was a pain in the ass. Got that out. The ductwork decided to collapse because it's not secured at all. I had to freaking push that out. Push the furnace out because the coil was jamming there so hard I couldn't fucking do anything because it was up to the ceiling. And damn it, I cursed again. I'm trying. But yeah, so now that I actually have all that out, I have some pump ups to where I can actually have more of an opening to that guy. Still gotta rip that off. But yeah, so there's that. And then also on a side note, there's a little water heater stuff right there. Like, pretty sure that should not look like that. And also that should be covered. But that's, yeah, not going there. And it's just sitting flat on bricks. So I don't even know what the underneath that probably looks like crap. So, but yeah, so now I get to clean up and then hopefully get the unit in here. And then I'm gonna have to do a lot of metal. I got a nice return filter grill for that. That should give me a nice little gap. So, fun stuff. And they're already messing with the line sets over there because there's two guys. So, and we started late today, so today's going great. Okay, so had to take the return down too close to the thing. I got this big guy in there just to make up the difference from the gap, which my screws are popping out lovely. Yeah, well, that's why I had a screw jam in. But I got the 1-inch adapter in there if they ever want to upgrade, they can. So, nice little box there for the, again, for the gap difference there was. Of course, my coil is huge. Probably gonna have to cut it there. But yeah. Fun stuff. Slowly, and then fuck the humidifier. So do so much with this really jacked up metal. Yeah. But it's getting there, and it's looking a lot better than what was there before. Just too short. The old one and the new one. They gotta mess with that, Jesus Christ. But definitely getting there, GFI. Okay, we got the everything in, furnace in, pipes in, and this the disaster of a ductwork up there, which we managed to make a decent transition. There's a gap there. We gotta put some stuff in there. I'll let the other guy do it, but I mean, with this ductwork, that's basically the best you're gonna get. We got a big 4-inch guy on the side there with a 1-inch filter in it, just because it was so far away from that. So now it's actually good. Humidifier's in there. The coil is actually set upright. And on this side, which looks a lot better, line set brand new. Gotta get a clamp on that. We got the coil, got the outlet for the pump. Got this guy here. Let me see. Oh, it clicked. Oh, and now I found my dikes, of course, on top of the friggin' thing. But yeah, that's that. Line set's about 50, probably 60 feet. We literally stopped right there, and we had to use a little bit, but it goes all the way down and out the wall there. But yeah, not too bad. I'm just testing the heat now. Other guys getting me a red cover plate. They had a plain one before. But yeah, nothing like a fun day of doing this, starting late and having the one dude run a vacuum. Or not a vacuum, running a pressure test like 8 times because there was a leak. Fun. So once it's done with that, we can test the AC, and then we can get out of here, and I can go home because I am freaking starving. All right, line set goes in, outdoors running, pressure's good, disconnect and everything there. So yeah, everything's running good, vinyl's there, everything's draining. So nice end to a long day. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.